Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I hope that you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine. Welcome to an IEVS home school. This is Mr. Robiul Islam, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies of National Ideal University School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take an Islamic Studies class for class 1, and our today's topic is the name of Arabic 12 months. And my dear students, today is our revision class. And my dear students, today our lecture number 27. Lecture number 27. Inshallah, my dear students, today we will memorize the name of Arabic 12 months. So let's start. At first, look at the board, my dear students. Today our topic is the name of Arabic 12 months. My dear students, I have written here the 12 months of Arabic here. So let's start. Our first Arabic month is Muharram. Number 2, Safar. And my dear students, Muharram is the first Arabic month of the Arabic year. In this regard, Muharram is the first Arabic month. So Muharram. Number 2 is Safar. Number 3, Robiul. Number 3, Robiul. And my dear students, you know that in this month our beloved Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was born. Robiul Awwal. Then number 4, Robiul Sani. Number 5, Jumad al-Ula. Number 6, Jumad al-Sani. Number 7, Rajab. Number 8, Shaban. Number 9, Ramadan. Number 9 is Ramadan. My dear students, you know that Ramadan is the most significant month of the Arabic year, because you know that there are 29 or 30 fasting have to keep in this month. In this regard, there is a great significance for Ramadan. Okay, my dear students, then Shawwal. Number 11, Jilqad. And number 12 is Jilhaj. Number 11 is Jilqad and number 12 is Jilhaj. My dear students, you will memorize the name of Arabic 12 months like this rhythm, like this pattern. Now I am saying, my dear students, now say with me: Muharram, Safar, Robiul Awwal, Robiul Sani, Jumad al-Ula, Jumad al-Sani, Rajab, Sha'ban, Ramadan, Shawwal, Jilqad, Jilhaj. My dear students, for memorizing this Arabic 12 months, you will follow like this rhythm, like this pattern. Okay, my dear students, Alhamdulillah, today we have learned the name of Arabic 12 months. I hope that you have understood our today's topic, and my dear students, you will memorize this 12 months at your home very carefully, because this is very important topic for you. Okay, my dear students, inshallah, see you again very soon. Till then, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.